Hello, I'm John Albert Dumaya. Now, I will present to you about information age. Its objective is to identify the uses, effects, and advantages of information age. The information age, also known as the computer age, digital age, new media age, is a historical period that began in the mid-20th century, characterized by a rapid epochal shift from the traditional industry established by Industrial Revolution to an economy primarily based upon information technology. According to the United Nations Public Administration Network, the information age was formed by capitalizing on computer microminiaturization advances, which upon broader usage within society would lead to a modernized information and to communication process becoming the driving force of social evolution. Notable features of Sumerian writing in 3000 BC. Early texts were written vertically from top to bottom, but by about 3000 BC, the direction had changed to left to right in horizontal laws. At the same time, the signs were rotated 90 degrees anti-clockwise and started to be made up mainly of wedges. 2900 BC, hieroglyphic writing, a system that employs characters in the form of pictures. Those individual signs, called hieroglyphics, may be read either as pictures, as symbols for pictures, or as symbols for sound. 1300 BC, oracle bones inscription were some of the earliest forms of Chinese writing. Ancient Chinese characters were carved onto animal bones or tortoise shell before the advent of paper and ink writing systems. 500 BC, papyrus is a material similar to thick paper that was used in ancient time as writing surface. It was made from the pith of the papyrus plant. 220 BC, script as Yixiaoshan and also known as seal script, lesser seal script, and kin script is an archaic form of Chinese calligraphy. It was standardized and promulgated as national standard by Li Si, Prime Minister under Shi Huangdi and First Emperor of Qin. 100 AD, the Codex was historical ancestor of the modern book. Instead of being composed of sheets of paper, it was generally composed of sheets of vellum, papyrus, or other materials. 1455. The printing press is a device that allows for the mass production of uniform printed matter, mainly text in the form of books, pamphlets, and newspapers created in China. The printing press revolutionized society before being further developed in Europe in the 15th century by Johannes Gutenberg and his invention of the Gutenberg press. 1755. Published on April 15, 1755 and written by Samuel Johnson, a dictionary of English language, sometimes published as Johnson's Dictionary, is among the most influential dictionaries in the history of the English language. James R. Messenger, the American Telephone and Telegraph Company employee who conceived the theory of the information age on December 12, 1982, then led the effort to create a global digital telecommunications infrastructure to enable the worldwide interconnection of computers. Messenger has continued to speak, however, and on the 25th anniversary of the theory of the information age, he published a history of how he was able as an individual to create a true new age based upon the power of ideas. The book was titled The Death of the American Telephone and Telegraph Company. How Bell died giving birth to the information age. Technology has influenced the world in many positive ways. Unfortunately, research shows that mobile technology is affecting communication in a negative way when it comes to sociability and face-to-face communication. Researchers have found that mobile technology can decrease communication and intimacy. Positive and negative effects of automation in society. Advantages commonly attributed to automation include higher production rates and increased productivity, more efficient use of materials, better product quality, improved safety, shorter work weeks for labor, and reduced factory lead times. Disadvantage. Despite the social benefits that might result from retraining displaced workers from other jobs, in almost all cases, the worker whose job has been taken over a machine undergoes a period of emotional stress.